Imagine being the biggest star in cricket and then suddenly everything falls apart. The fans turn against you. Experts say you are finished. The world moves on. But what if you didn't give up? Today we are looking at the cricketers who made the most unbelievable comebacks. Players who went from being written off to becoming legends. Stay till the end because number one on the list is the greatest comeback in cricket history. Story number 1. Ben Stokes, from rock bottom to World Cup hero. The year is 2016. England needs to defend 19 runs in the final over to win the T20 World Cup. The ball is handed to Ben Stokes, one of the England's top all-rounders. But what happened next was heartbreaking. Carlos Brathwaite smashed 4 sixes in a row and Stokes fell to his knees. England lost the World Cup. Fans blamed him. Headlines called him choker. His career seemed finished. Stokes was mentally shattered. His confidence was at all-time low. He was even dropped from the team for a while. But here's what makes champions different. They don't stay down for long. Stokes refused to give up. He trained harder, worked on his mental strength, and 3 years later, he got his redemption. Fast forward to 2019, England is in the World Cup final. Once again, they need a hero, and this time, Ben Stokes delivers. His unbeaten 84 runs takes England to victory in the most dramatic final in history. Ben Stokes, from being the villain of 2016 to the hero of 2019. What a comeback. Now coming to our story 2, Yuvraj Singh beating cancer and returning as champion. Yuvraj was a match winner, a superstar. His 6 sixes in 1 over made him legend. His player of the tournament performance in 2011 World Cup helped India lift the trophy. But just month after that, everything changed. Something wasn't right. He was struggling to breathe, losing weight, feeling weaker every day. Then came the shocking news. Yuvraj had cancer. Doctor told him to forget cricket. Fans told that he would never see him play again. But Yuvraj, he had other plans. After months of chemotherapy and treatment, Yuvraj fought back. He trained harder than ever and against all odds, he returned to play for India. From battling cancer to winning matches for India again, this is what true resilience looked like. Story 3. Virat Kohli, when the king lost his crown and took it back. For years, Virat Kohli was unstoppable, a run machine, a record breaker. But then something changed. From 2019 to 2022, Kohli went through a worst phase of his career. No centuries in over 1000 days. Fans started asking, is King Kohli finished? Even experts began questioning his place in the team. But you never count out a champion. Kohli kept grinding, kept believing, and in 2022 Asia Cup he finally ended his century drought. And then came his greatest comeback moment. That unforgettable knock against Pakistan in the T20 World Cup proved that King Kohli was never finished. The king had just been waiting for the right time to rise again. So, which comeback story inspired you the most? Comment below and tell me, what do you think? Who will make the next big comeback in cricket? If you like cricket comebacks, like and subscribe for more legendary cricket stories. Because in cricket and in life, the greatest players are not the ones who never fail, but the one who rises every time they do. Thank you.